We got season 5 Shopkins, a 12 pack.
Why we want to get this one is because there are 2 Petkins.
There's 2 Petkins leather wanted in here. So let's see. There is some doubles already, we can tell, but let's get into it.
Yeah, we have 100 already, and
well, let's show them better when we get into it. Okay, so
guess what, guys?
we'll be back when we get this box open because Lila has a little bit of a problem. Let's see what Shopkins we got.
I'm going to show you the one that we... They're actually very squeaky Petkins.
Can you get her out?
Yeah. Just popped from the egg. Oh, look at it.
She's cute, huh? So the first one we got is Polly Teapot, and she is a common. She's a little kitty petkin. Look at her little tail. Cute.
We already have this one.
And this is, I forget the name, Claire Chair, and she is a rare.
And we already have that one.
And we have that one.
We don't have this one.
Oh, and we have the little skateboard petkin.
Oh yeah, we already have this one already. I can tell. It fell
There
over.
she is.
Mom?
They even put a little tail. And she is in sports, and she is Katie Skateboard, and she's a
We
rare.
already have this one.
And this is the hot chocolate one. This is Cup of Cocoa. And we have this one, so this is a double.
Drum out.
Fun Drum. Put it closer, honey.
Like this?
Yep. And we have Fun Drum. We have her in the other colors, so that one's new, but not new.
Oh, what do I hear?
I don't know what the Shopkin is. Is that Ollie Orange Cake? Is it Shopkin? Nope. Okay, I'll get the rest out and show them while I'm trying to figure. Oh, that's why I couldn't see her. This is come on, focus. Jilly Jam Roll, and she's a common.
Yay, another sport!
Oh, and we got the tennis racket. And her name is, where is that? It's Dennis Bat. She's cute. She's holding a little ball.
Oh,
I like the
I
sports.
get what that is the song with.
And we got this one. Lila really wanted this one. It's a petkin. Don't focus back there. Focus on to this cute's face.
What is this? Is this a petkin? Mom? I don't know what that is.
I think this is Tasty Toast in the sweet treats, and she's a common.
Tasty toast?
And we got this moose one,
This one.
and she is
This time I'm gonna get the
Mandy
dollar.
Moose, and she's a common. She's cute though.
They didn't put the bracelet.
Oh, and our charm, which I think we have this one already, right, Lai?
I think.
We got Strawberry Kisses. And all the charms are ultra rare. So we have Strawberry Kiss.
They have Gator editions.
Yeah.
Ah!
Okay, and now we're going to open the ones that came in the blind bag.
Wait, no. We forgot.
Oh, wait. Oh, this one's new for us. And it's the green one, and it is
If you've seen the giveaway, we give the go that one.
Penny Wishing Whale. Yes, and we want to give a shout out to EverythingJady. She was one of our giveaway winners, and she got this in one of her blind bags, and we were super excited because we didn't even have her. And thank you for doing the video, huh, Lila? Say thank you.
Thank you for doing the video.
Okay, now let's see what we got in our blind bags. Hopefully my camera will last. I know you're supposed to get the tech ones, like being able to get the tech ones in these, so I'm hoping we get a tech.
Oh, we got another one.
What did we get?
We got a camera.
We got camcorder.
Camcorder.
And she's a special edition.
Yeah, Mom been really wanted to get a special edition.
Come on, please.
Oh. Oh.
And she has a little, like a little director's cut board. There's her camcording lens. Look how cute she is.
Guys.
Camcorder.
A radio.
Oh, we got the radio.
And I think it's on here. Yeah, it's on here.
Let me see. And these all glow in the dark, if you didn't know. This is, oh no, we got Howard Power Board.
Power board.
Look at. Awesome. Is that how you
Oh,
design? Yep.
we got it a different tone.
Let me get a really good close-up of this face, if it's gonna focus. And look, look how cute he is. Okay, and we got another.
Tone. This is a different tone.
What charm is that? The cupcake?
Cupcake queen, I think.
Cupcake chic?
Cupcake secret.
Let me see it. Oh no, this is your yogurt.
Yoga.
We got the gold edition of Yo Chai.
Mom, can we make these go in the dark?
We can try, yes. If this thing will ever focus.
Camcorder. Camcorder is the new one since. Well, camcorder is
Look how cute she is. So we'll have to add those. Okay, Lala, do you want to put him onto the...
Yeah.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do I got 8? Yeah, I do. I get 8 backpacks because of this one and this one.
Yep, 8. And what we were talking about earlier is we did a giveaway, and one of the girls that won did a video, and we'll link that down below so you can go check out what we sent her, so you can, if you're interested to join. Hold on, wait, interested in getting joining one of our drawings, then you can kind of see what we sent.
Guys, yeah, I'll give you a hint.
What?
I'll give them a hint.
Okay.
It starts with a ha, sa.
Oh, they know. We told them they were Shopkin.
It's season 5 Shopkin.
Yeah, we sent season 5 Shopkin blind bags.
And some of the doubles. We sent Say Pay, Cherry Pie, and oh yeah, Apricot.
Alright, yeah, thanks for watching, guys.
And we sent her fun drum. This one.
Lila, you can't tell them the whole video. They have to go watch it. Can you say bye?
And the wheel.
Can you say bye?
Bye bye.
No, look at them and say bye.
Bye.